Hello, hi there. Hope you are doing good. I am giving the demo of Food Eats application driver side. Here's splash screen. On top of that is a phone number you need to enter. Next, the OTP will go to your phone number which you have entered in past screen, and tap over done. Then you will be redirected here. Login screen. You can create a sign up over here. For creating sign up, you need to enter all these details: first name, last name, city, country, mobile number, email address, password, confirm password. And before going further, you need to set the terms and condition for the application, and then you need to add your driving license. Next, then you need to fulfill all these details: license number, license type, date of birth, nationality, expiry date as well. Then go to next, and then you need to upload the picture. Then you will redirect it to home screen to the application. Here on home screen there is a map on which you have showed your current location where you are standing here, and then you will have a trip over here, 2-day trip. If you will admin will assign you the work which you need to deliver the order to the customer location. You need to pick up the order from restaurant, then you need to deliver the order to the customer location. For this admin will send you the request. Here is a request with details that you from your location you need to go this location. It will have 9.5 miles away, and complete time is this seconds. Then you will take 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes to go to that location. If you decline, that request has been cancelled. If you accept that, it means you have accepted the job. Over this screen you will have a detail of the user as well. You can message the user and call the user as well, or tap over that. The map will be draw over there. Then you need to start the order, start the trip. And if you start the trip, it means you have picked up the order and you will going to the customer location. Then you will tap over complete trip. Then you have when you will reach the customer location, you will tap over complete trip. Then you will be redirected to this screen, the order screen. Then you need to tap over done. Then your trip has been completed. On the top right corner there is a button of switch on off button. It means if your button is on, it means you are on at the job. If you make that button off, then no job will be assigned to you because you are offline for the current time being until you will not make the toggle button on. Here is a side menu bar. Here is a job history. Here is your upcoming job, means your current job, and if you have assigned the future job as well, means now the time is 10 a.m. then you have a job at 12 p.m. Here is the upcoming job. In the past jobs as well, here is your past job, that you have job has been done and how much money you have got from that job. Okay, payment status. This is the pending payment which you need to come at your account. Then here is the payment you have paid by the admin side. Here is your daily payment, your weekly payment, and here is your monthly payment. Then contact us. You can contact the customer care as well. Terms and condition. Here is the terms and condition of the application. Here is the setting module. Here is a profile. You can edit your profile as well. The information you have entered while creating the sign up in the application. Okay, if we go back, address, you can add your address as well. Driver's information, the information you have entered by creating the sign up in our application, you can edit that information as well from here. Then insurance as well, same information you need to enter while you have creating the application. If you have any insurance, you will be marked over there as well. Then logo. After typing of logo, you will be logged out from the application. And here is a forgot password option as well. If you forgot your password, you need to enter the email address while you have registered email address within the application. On tap over submit, the link will be go to your registered email ID, and then from there you can change the forgot password, and you can set the new password as well to use the application. Then you can re-log in the application with that new password. Thank you. Here is a demo for Food and Eat driver side application. Thank you.